your valuable guidance. Ippudu Professor Dr. Patteti Rajashekar garu, former Vice Chancellor of Nagarjuna University. An eloquent speaker, distinguished writer, and an accomplished academician who served with great distinction as a professor, registrar, and Vice Chancellor of Acharya Nagarjuna University. Let's give him a big round of applause. He's a true inspiration for thousands. లోతైన సామాజిక స్పృహతో సంక్షోభ పరిస్థితుల్లో ఆచార్య నాగార్జున విశ్వవిద్యాలయం వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్గా ధైర్యంగా నిలబడి సంస్థను ముందుకు నడిపారు శ్రీ పట్టేటి రాజశేఖర్ గారు. టీవీ తరఫున వారికి ప్రత్యేకమైన ధన్యవాదాలని అభివాదాలని తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాము. వారిని స్పందించవలసిందిగా విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాం.
Om Sri Sai Ram. With the blessings of Bhagavan Sat Sai Baba, I could reach this level of receiving this Ugadi Puraskar from my idol, from my ideal, from my perennial and perpetual inspiration. Thank you so much, sir. Na పూర్వజన్మ సుకృతంగా నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. And I profusely thank the management of 99 TV, Sri Tota Chandrasekhar Garu, and also Sri Vijay Babu Garu, who facilitated me for this program. And I also thank the former Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, and also the former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for appointing me as the Vice Chancellor of Acharya Nagarjuna University. If I were not appointed as the Vice Chancellor of Acharya Nagarjuna University, I wouldn't have reached this level of being in close proximity and also touching the feet of my idol and my megastar and my perennial and perpetual inspiration. My late parents were diehard fans of megastar, and also my family, my wife and my son who are here, and also my daughter who is in UK, and also my brothers and sisters. All of us are dedicated fans of Sri Megastar Chiranjeevi Garu. And then this is an incredible achievement on my part. I have been to other countries like US, UK. I have been to Oxford University and I have been to Australia. I taught for 1 month in University of Manitoba and University of Oklahoma as a honorary professor. But this achievement, which I have been waiting, I was thinking that will my life come to an end without reaching my megastar? And without receiving his blessings. So finally, this was possible, due to the blessings of Vijay Babu Garu and Tota Chandrasekhar Garu. Thank you very much, sir. I am honored, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, రాజశేఖర్ గారు. ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ కడియాల రాజేంద్ర గారిని వేదికపైకి రావాల్సిందిగా సాదరంగా సగౌరవంగా స్వాగతిస్తున్నాం. మనందరి హర్షధ్వానాల్ని వినిపిద్దాం. డాక్టర్ కడియాల రాజేంద్ర